All right, time for some midweek birthdays, and we begin in Seneca with Remy Wyrick celebrating birthday number 7. This comes with love from Mom, Dad, Nana, and Papa.
Let's see, and we've got Onyx Adams celebrating a belated birthday with love from Isla and your mother and family.
And we head over to Columbus for Kalia Cooper celebrating birthday number 12. A very happy birthday to you, Kalia.
All right, Amber J celebrating birthday number 27 this year. Amber is getting birthday wishes with love from Alex, Jackson, Serenity, and Jace.
And we've got Mashaya Schultz celebrating birthday number 40 in Crestline. Very happy birthday to you, Mashaya.
All right, and Jack Freeman turns 71 years old this year in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday, Jack.
And we've got Trini Isusi celebrating birthday number 88 in Humboldt. This comes with love from his children, grandchildren, great-grandchildren, and of course the rest of your family. Happy birthday.
All right, and down in Miami, Oklahoma, Mr. Bobby Payton celebrating a big one this year, number 90. And I understand Mr. Payton is one of our 4 state heroes, retired from the U.S. Army and then later retired from farming. Thank you for both. Now enjoys fishing and gardening with family and friends.
And we're heading up to Pittsburgh for Trent Becker celebrating a belated birthday. And Trent works at the Bryant Student Health Center at PSU. A very happy belated birthday to you, Trent. And of course, we want to keep celebrating these birthdays. Tanya Bach knows exactly where you need to send them.
Email them to either of these addresses, birthdays with an S at KOAMTV.com or birthdays at KOAMNewsNow.com. Be sure to send them in at least 24 hours in advance so we have time to make them look spiffy. Include a picture, hometown, and their age, and any special message you'd like to include as well.
And of course, take time to head over to our website where you can sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get great deals from local businesses. You also get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. All you need to do is head over to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.